The process begins with selecting quality leather. Each sheet is inspected for quality. Patterns are prepared for cutting. Leather is cut with precision. Holes are created for stitching. Stitching begins the assembly. Panels are joined together. The bag takes its shape. Edges are refined for precision. Handles are prepared separately. Edges are polished smoothly. The interior lining is added. Zippers are installed for usability. Handles are securely attached. The surface is polished to perfection. Each bag is inspected for quality.
Stitching is off on this one.
Final cleaning ensures perfection. Bags are packed for delivery. From raw leather to luxury bag. Subscribe for more.